Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to talk about description list. So what are description list? A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. So basically, if you have the data and you want to represent it in the form of a list and also provide some summary about that particular list data items, you can go with description list. So there are three tags that are used in description list. In ordered list and unordered list we have only two tags, but in description list we have third extra tag which is used to describe the term. So dd tag is used to describe each term, dt tag defines the term, and dl is used to represent the description list. So let's check the syntax of description list. So this is the syntax of description list. Here you have the description list, and here you have the data items in your list. Like maths is the data item which we have provided, which is enclosed in dt, and dd is used to describe the data item maths. So maths is described here, all about formulas, and the second data item is science, and description about the second data item is provided here. So let's see how it will represented on web browser. So this is the way in which it will be represented on the browser. So let's check in our code. So this is our file, descriptive list.html. So as per the theory, we need to provide the dl tag. So let's say dl, which stands for descriptive list, and here we need to provide the item dt. Let's say maths, and for this maths you need to provide dd data description. Let's say all about formulas. You can provide the description here as per your data items dt. Let's say science, provide description all about science. Let's save this, open in browser. So see, as we have provided the descriptive list, data item is getting displayed. Let me increase the font, and the description is also provided. So this is the default way in which the data is represented on the browser. So you can make use of description list as per your requirement. So what another things we can modify here? Let's say I want to add an extra dd tag here. Let's say I want to print here algebra and geometry, algebra and geometry. Save this. Let's check how it will be displayed on the browser. So see, so it is expected like the first description is getting printed, afterwards the second one is getting printed. If I modified this data item and paste it here, so let's see how the data will be displayed. So see, now all the description that is being used here all will be appended to the second data item because it is below the second data item. So it will, let's correct that. Control X, Control V, Control S. Yeah, so this was all the theory and practical implementation about descriptive list. So that's it for this video. We will cover another topic in the next video. Thank you.